Handy Andy, back at it with another unboxing, folks. This time it's Shlage, and we're going to be looking at this door lock. This one in particular is the Keypad Entry Flex. This is the second Shlage unboxing that I've done. If you want, you can see the other one. This one apparently has both a lock and a keypad to enter and open the door, whereas the other one just had the keypad, no lock. So let's go ahead and start with this unboxing. Okay, here we go. And first thing you see is the instruction manual, which is super important for this. Let me just take a quick look at this. Open it up. You'll notice that this yellow thing, what you want is, this is important information for that particular lock. You don't want to lose this. You don't want to lose this instruction manual. My advice is to take a picture of this and email it to yourself so that if you ever need to program new PIN codes, you always have the user codes handy. You don't want to lose this. Trust me, I did with one lock. I regretted it. Let's go and continue with the unboxing. Okay, so you got this part of the hardware. This main piece might be hard to take out, so I'll take everything else out. Okay, you got strike plates here, and look at that. It does come with the battery, which is nice, but everything is in the styrofoam case, and it is tight fit. There is a lever, and let me guess, yep, there's two levers. And you're probably wondering why there are two levers. Well, it depends on what way you want the door to open. They give you the options for both ways. Let's see if I can get this out. This is kind of a hard time. There we go. So it comes kind of complete with its lock system. Oh, there's the key. Don't want to lose that. Let's put this aside. Like I said, it's got the best of both worlds. You got your traditional key and the ability to punch in a code to open the door. This is different from the other one, which just had a touch screen to open up the door, whereas this is kind of the best of both worlds, and that should be very interesting to see how it operates once we get it all set up. So I'm going to go and organize all this to show you everything that it comes inside the box. And here's everything outside of the box. You can see you have this unit itself with the keypad and the lock. You have that Shlage button. That's basically to lock the door when you're leaving. You just press that, turn the lever, and then the door will lock. You also have, of course, one key. I hope it comes with two keys, but so far it looks like it's just one. But again, once you program your codes, you probably won't use the key very much. You got all the strike plates as well as a nice fresh battery and two levers, because it depends on what way you want the door to open. Of course, this keypad, again, I cannot stress, you want to keep these programming codes. They're super important for whatever door that you install this on. In the event that you want to change or remove codes, maybe you forget the process, you need those codes to be able to program the codes. So, like, again, this is just the unboxing. You want to watch the full video of this as I install this onto a door to see, you know, all the different steps, because relatively easy, but depending on your door and how your current setup and lock works, it can be a hit or miss, because I've had one door that didn't lock very well and I had some problems. So we'll see what happens with this one. So you want to watch that review. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.